Hello, welcome back guys. How are you all? I'm fine. This is the daily basis video before the session, and this is dollar index. If you see, this is the daily chart. Yesterday market actually traded this fair value gap, this candle high and this candle low. It traded this fair value gap and started to go higher. And today it's come back again and try to trade this gap. This is the consequent encroachment of this daily week, and yeah, that's all. Okay, let's go to the hourly chart. In hourly chart, this is the same consequent encroachment and this is the hourly fair value gap. I'm expecting price will go higher today. Before FOMC it will stay lower here, and if it comes lower it will come here, then start to go higher. Let's go to the 15-minute first. If you see, it has actually cleared the buy side liquidity and gave me a market structure shift, so I'm expecting that it will come. There is a very nice 15-minute fair value gap and also the 15-minute fair value gap from previous. So I'm expecting that price will come to this gap before FOMC. If it comes over here before FOMC, then my strong opinion is market will tap to this, this buy side liquidity, also this, all of this buy side liquidity. It will be the FOMC target. But it depends. If I see it consolidate, I mean, when I will talk about in Nasdaq and even S&P, you will know what I mean by that. If it doesn't do anything over here, that means it don't come any specific place, rather than it consolidate over here the whole AM session today, then it will be very difficult for for determining the bias for FOMC. Okay, that's all for dollar index. Let's go to the Nasdaq. So here is your Nasdaq, and this is the daily chart. If you see, I told you yesterday that it will go to this order block level, but it didn't do it. Rather than that, it actually came down. And if you have watched my this week analysis, then you know this is the some consequent encroachment of monthly week. So I marked it before, and price actually came to this this week discount week, and then go back. In the meantime, it has traded the volume imbalance as well, and now it's trading inside previous day. So I need to break either it higher or lower before FOMC. If I see it actually went to this fair value gap or not near about there, then I will expect that the first run is the fake run of FOMC. That means the 2 p.m. run, it will actually tap over here, and the real run, it will break lower. Let's go to the hourly chart. In hourly chart, you can see here actually price make the equal lows. You see they are relatively equal low. This is the equal highs, this is also the equal highs, and from here if you see this low and this low, they're the equal low. You see, this is your sell side. This one is short term sell side, but this one is long term sell side. That means if FOMC has energy, if it started to go lower, then it will go at least to the sell side liquidity. That is my target for today. Actually, I expect that price will go higher and go above all of these highs. It will tap to the order block and then break lower. And all I want before 2:30. If I see before 2:30 it actually went over here, any place, like I need to clean this buy side liquidity. They are very clean. If I see that before 2:30 it has cleaned all of this, then my strong opinion is it will come lower. It will clean this sell side liquidity, or at last this sell side liquidity. Let's go to the 15-minute first. In 15-minute you can see I marked it as a relative equal low, and this is relative equal high, but I want that price will go above before FOMC. Right now, where is price is just inside this leg. You see this leg, it is just inside this leg. It consolidate over here, so I don't know which way it will go. It all depends on before FOMC. you need more signature. Like if you really would like to go lower, then it has to clear at least some liquidity above over here. Then it can go lower. Otherwise, it can actually come here and clear this sell side liquidity before FOMC, and at the FOMC it will go higher. It can happen all as well. But if I see that it has cleared the buy side liquidity, then my strong opinion is it will come lower. And if it don't do it, it if it keep clean, like if it just keep it like that way, then I have no bias for FOMC, because it can actually come lower and then it can go more low by using FOMC, or it can start to go higher. I have no idea where it will go. So I need signature. If I see it has cleared this buy side liquidity, then I will go for short. Let's go to the mini S&P. There is actually nothing very important in mini S&P. So this is the hourly order block price. Respect that. Yesterday I was expecting this price will go to this I fair value gap, also the daily fair value gap, but it didn't do it. Rather than that, it actually came lower, and now it is trading to this gap. You see the hourly fair value gap, it is trading over here. So let's go 15-minute again. So here is the 15-minute chart. It's actually trading want to trade this fair value gap as well, and this is the order block. I don't want to see that it will go to this, the volume balance today. But if it goes over there before FOMC, I'm happy. That will be more precise for me that price will go lower. On the other hand, if it just stay over here, or it can tap to the 15-minute I fair value gap low, it is also possible. I don't mind. But it can't, go lower before FOMC, like somewhere here. If it is here somewhere before 2:30, then I have no bias. So guys, I think it's clear. Right now, I am expecting that in the morning session it will go higher, and PM session it will come lower. So that's all. It's a very short video, so I think it will be helpful for you guys to understand the market. So that's all, guys. I think it's insightful for you. And if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. If you really love this video, give me a thumbs up. That will be my pleasure. Thank you, guys. See you. Bye bye.